Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin back again, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Got the Moto Z4 phone to unbox today. It comes with the 360 camera and it's the latest edition Z4. I've been using the Z2 Force as my personal device for a long time, so I'm really excited to see the Z4 today. So let's go ahead, open this up, and we'll start talking about it a little bit. So the Moto Z4 is interesting because the price point on this is about $500. I think it lists for $499. However, it came out about a few weeks ago, and already, if you're on Verizon, you can get this thing for $250 on Verizon. So as we talk about this device, it's somewhere between a flagship phone, you know, which usually runs from Samsung or Apple for $1,000, $1,200. Maybe the Pixel 3, you know, is maybe $800. But this one at $500 and already down to $250, almost has a mid-range price point, but a lot of the features are flagship. So I think it's going to be interesting to take a look at this thing. So great packaging from Moto. Let's see what comes in the box. Oops. Sorry about that. So right away, a couple really interesting features about this is you're going to see fingerprint sensors in the screen. So for a long time, my phone had it at the bottom. Now we have a full screen display. It's going to have the fingerprint reader right in the screen. This is going to be people excited. It's USB-C, of course, but they went ahead and they added the headphone jack back in. So people are going to like that. Here's the traditional lock and the volume controls on this side. SIM chip on top, but it also has an SD card built in. And of course, flat kind of mat on the back, and the Moto Mod pins here on the back. So that's it. Phone looks great, feels great. Let's see what else is in the box. This is an unboxing video. So we've got the mod that comes with it. So this time we're including with it the 360 camera. So let's open this up. So this just pops on the back. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Z series, they just pop on like this. Boom, like that, and then they're on the back. So Moto Mods are a big part of the Z series. So I've got several mods that I use on my Z2 Force. All those are still compatible with this device. So I've got a thing to plug it into the car. I've got a battery pack. I've got a camera. I've got a projector. I've got a JBL speakers. I've got just flat panels that go on the back. I've got a thing that does wireless charging. So all those kind of devices. Some people thought it wouldn't last maybe a year or two, but Moto stuck with it. Now this is the 4th generation, 4 years using the Moto Mods. So let's turn it on. Specs on this thing. Comes with the Qualcomm 675 chip. So for those of you, for a long time you thought of kind of the 800 as the premier level chipset, but now I think people have really started to realize that the 600 series, especially anything above the 630, this one 675 is going to be plenty for everything you have to do. So here we go, we're powering on. It's got 128 gig of memory on it. It's got a 4 gig of memory also, and then the cameras, this is going to be really exciting. So it's got a 45 megapixel camera on the back. It's got night sight built in. A lot of times that used to be just a pixel exclusive kind of thing. And it's got a 25 megapixel camera for your selfie cam. Here in the United States, available on all carriers and ready to ship today. Like I said, $499 list. I think that's kind of all I wanted to cover today, just introducing the Moto Z4. Hopefully everybody takes a chance. Check it out. I'll put a link in the below. But other than that, that's it. Thomas Vanderkin signing off. Thanks, everybody.